Okay, so here's a little video on how to change the water filter underneath the kitchen sink. So here's the water filter, and I'm going to say, to make things simple, don't worry about these. These shut off the water from the filter to the spigot and to the fridge. Worry about these. These shut off the water coming into everything. So this is cold, that's hot. I would just go ahead and turn both of them off, which means turning it 1/4 turn clockwise to the right. And then make sure, check your sink to make sure that nothing's coming here, nothing's coming here. Just drain a little bit out. Okay, so these are off. No water coming. And then you're going to take your plastic wrench, slide it up here, and start with it to the right and rotate it to the left. And if you can use one hand here and another hand up here to stabilize it, to hold the top steady, and then one hand to pull toward the left, that's going to unscrew it. And then you probably want to have a bowl underneath here to catch any water that might spill, because the water level is going to be quite high in here. Just a low bowl to catch any spills. And then take the whole unit out, dump everything out, clean out this, but don't use this sink to clean out this. I would suggest going to the bathroom and cleaning this out so that you don't have to worry about turning the water back on. Okay? And then when you put your new filter in, you're gonna just drop the new filter in here, and then by hand line this up, screw it up. You might have to jiggle it back and forth a little bit to get the water filter to line up with the hole on top, so jiggle it a little bit if you're not screwed all the way up to the top, and then finish screwing up to the top. Use your wrench again and crank it to the right, from left to right. That's going to tighten it. And then turn your water back on over here, so to vertical on both sides, and we are all set. And the last step is to run your water filter for a few minutes before you use any of the water. So just go ahead and run this for a couple of minutes. I don't remember because I got rid of the packaging on the filter, but it says how long you should run it before you start to use it again.